everyone. I am Anshika Tiwari and here I am going to present a small presentation on corporate social responsibility in Australia. So first of all we need to know about what is corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, that is CSR, is a concept whereby organizations consider the interest of society based on the impact of their activities on customers, employees, shareholders, communities, and the environment for all aspects of their operations. Next, we're moving forward to benefits of CSR. First is increase employee loyalty and retention, increase quality of product and services, increase customers loyalty, increased reputation and brand image, greater productivity and quality, reduced regulatory and oversight, access to capital and market, product safety and decreased liability, and also less volatile stock value. Next is why is CSR important? For customers and clients are influenced by a company's reputation in social and environmental areas. The employment market is competitive and good recruits with wants to work for and stay with companies that care. Also, social performance increasingly influence investors' decision as the ethical investment market grows ever more quickly. CSRs enable the strategic management of internal and external risk in social as well as environmental areas. It also exists socially responsible actions which become more visible and are better communicated. CSR, also social and environmental responsibility, has been demonstrated to reduce operating cost. Now we are moving forward is CSR in Australia. In Australia, these practices have been celebrated most prominently as the Prime Minister's Community Business Partnership and the promotion of a social coalition. In an era of cooperation by necessity or choice, these approaches publicly call for, promote, and reward the use of cross-sector collaboration to support social services previously provided primarily by government and the community sectors. Changes in funding, service provisions, and spheres of accountability highlights the shift in perspective. These changes suggest that the community sector develop a sound understanding of CSR theory, practice, and trends. According to Australian Centre of Corporate Social Responsibilities, the respondent of the performed survey were demanding for better leadership from the business industry, the academic sector, and the government. It is also expected that the government will further support the CSR and will promote mandatory action of CSR. Next is the expertise from corporate sector believes that the corporate social responsibility is soon going to be a must for the progress of any business entity in coming future. It is also believed that the CSR will uh, tightly be linked with the innovation. The relationship of innovation and CSR is expected to be seen clearly in fields like supply chain, collaboration, reporting, and environment. Now, next we moving forward to this figure that will show that how will social investment be funded. In this figure, actions have a little or no relationship to the business, and action have close link to the business. There is four matrix, that is charity, tax, strategic and social investment, regulation. First is charity, which has action have little or no relationship with the business, but the company controls the decision. In the tax, the community or government control the decision, but they have the less relationship with the business. In strategic social investment, they have the close link with the business, but the company controls the decision making. In regulation, community or government controls the decision, but their actions which has been from the company has been closed. Next, there are key initiatives. In this, 68% donated money to community causes and charities. 65% of companies participated in community and charity activities. 65% of company improved energy efficiency or waste management. Only 53% of company donated products, services to a charitable organization. 39% of company changed products and services to reduce their environmental impact. 31% of company calculated your carbon footprint. Now there are some companies which join the growing list of corporate Australia that supporting marriage equality. That there are Westpac, BT Financial Group, Brain and Company, Alliance Indicators, Brand Ability, Ben and Jerry's, BCG's, Carnival, etc. Thank you.